तेरे लिए कुछ सेकंड Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Shrishti and on this channel I make videos related to fashion, lifestyle or some crazy little experiments. But besides that, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this backdrop. Like the curtains, ruffle curtains right behind me with scratch and with absolutely no money. So keep watching and I will guide you through everything, like from sewing to cutting to pattern making, everything. So don't miss that. It's a great video. Let me show you how it looks. So okay, so this is my room and I have this square in my room and I want to use this space as my YouTube backdrop. So what I decided is to make a curtain out of all these fabrics which I have from my college project. So yeah, what I do is make a curtain out of all of these to cover this space and we will see how it goes. So first of all, I'm really sorry for the mess of my room, but this is how it looks like when I decided to sew. So never mind it. And other than that, what I'm doing right here is marking the length of my ruffles, and I decided to go with 12 inches. So this would be the length of all my ruffles, and I will make 8 to 10 layers of the ruffles to cover the whole space, and then I will sew them all together and you will see at the end how it looks like. Now is the time to cut all the layers which we marked, and let's cut it out. And now the fun part begins. It's finally the time to see what we have done so far, and for that what I am doing right here is I'm making the ruffle layers, and for that you have to take the layer which you have just cut and then fold it inside and then sew over it. Let me show you in detail what I've done. So just look at it clearly. What I'm doing right here is taking the fabric inside by the help of my fingers, and then I close the boot and oops, निकल गया बाहर. So दोबारा से let's try it one more time. Take the fabric inside and drop the boot over it, and yeah, this looks perfect, and sew over it. So yeah, voila, you have made a ruffle for yourself. And now you just have to repeat the process a zillion times till you make enough ruffles to cover the whole curtains. So let's just keep calm and keep sewing the ruffles. So it's 8:30 रात के, and what I did in the whole day was making these layers of ruffles. If you like this video so far, then don't forget to subscribe and like and comment for my curtains. And I made total of 1, 2, 3 layers, and still we need so many layers to cover this box. It's me again, and ignore my गंदा सा face क्योंकि रात को 12 बज रहे हैं और right now I'm in the middle of crisis. Like I try to figure out what I want my curtains to be look like. I try to play with prints, and let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so I made this ruffles. तो मैंने अभी इसमें येलो और रेड कर दिया, बट आई कांट डिसाइड कि मैं कॉम्बिनेशन क्या रखूँ. आई मीन येलो वाला पार्ट लास्ट में और सबसे ऊपर, या इन बिटवीन दिस टू वाइट लेयर्स लाइक यू कैन सी राइट नाउ. तो बस अभी वही डिसाइड कर रही हूँ. Okay, so this is another combination, and I like this combination way better than the previous one because इसमें less distraction है, क्योंकि जो येलो वाली लेयर है वो लास्ट में जाएगी. So there will be no distraction at the background, और ये जो first 3 layers है that will become my YouTube background most of the times. And yeah. Hi everyone, it's day 2 and let me show you what I did in the entire day. This is what I made in the entire day, and as you can see the second layer is not straight, so I have to redo it. अभी बहुत सारा काम है. I don't want to do it. खोलो, सीलो, फिर से खोलो, फिर सीलो. For attaching the ruffle layers, I'm using a scrap fabric of net which I already have with me. And don't worry if you don't have net fabric, you can simply use a bed sheet or your mom's sari if your mom's allows it obviously. जबरदस्ती मत लेना वरना थप्पड़ पड़ेंगे और पूछ के लेना. प्रो टिप, हमेशा पूछ के लो मम्मी से जो भी लेना है. हिम्मत करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती और कोशिश करने वालों की सॉरी कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. जो भी अवेलेबल है उससे काम करो. ओहो पसीने देख रहे हो, मेहनत के पसीने. ये फैन नहीं चल रहा एंड मेरा गंजा पाऊँ. ओके आई एम डन विद वन कर्टन एंड मैं अभी आपको दिखाती हूँ क्या बन गया. और अभी टाइम हो रहा है 12, पूरे 12. तो या मेरी हेड इतनी ही है तो मैं आप लोगों को इतना ही दिखा सकती हूँ. Hi guys, it's day 3 and finally I'm done with my curtains. All I have to do right now is to pass the strings from them so that I can hang them over the wall. And yeah, let's pass the strings. Okay. So इनकी starting. By the way, हम दोबारा से भिवानी जा रहे हैं and I am so annoyed with the traveling because कभी इधर कभी उधर. भाई हद हो गई. मैं मेरा काम कैसे करूँ? मम्मी के स्कूल के चक्कर में ना सब कुछ खराब रखा है और मैं कुछ कह नहीं सकती किसी को हम कुछ कह नहीं सकते. क्या ही करें हम. I passed the string and now is the time to hang the curtain, so let's go. Freeze. इस पॉइंट पे मेरे को हैमर मिला नहीं था इसलिए I used that thing. Okay, so this is the final product. Like this is finally how it looks like, and I pretty much like it, to be honest. So yeah, enjoy. This is it for today's video, and if you like this video then like it, share it, or subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you next video, and I will see you later. Bye.